it's Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. The topic this week is medical narrations. Boy, what a great niche this is. Let's talk all about it because there's two types of medical narrations. There are the types where you are peer-to-peer. You are a doctor or a healthcare provider talking to another healthcare provider. So in that case, you need to be very scientific. The medical terminology needs to flow like you talk this way every day. It's a little bit more serious. The second type of medical narration is where you are a medical healthcare provider talking to a patient. In that case, you're talking to them about a disease state, about how to manage a medical device, that type of thing, to calm them down. It's much warmer, much more compassionate. Now, there are 5 qualities of a successful medical narrator, and let's talk about what they are. The first is you can't be queasy. You have to be willing to go there because some of the things that we're talking about are a little, well, how do I say this? Personal. I was the voice of the irritable bowel hotline, if you can believe it. That was really a hard job to do. You got to be very credible. So you have to sound scientific, you have to sound professional, and at the same time, conversational. They do not want announcers. Compassionate as well in those where you're talking to the patients, calm them down, be very, very warm. And finally, you have to be very comfortable with all those long words and all that medical terminology. So if that's you, great niche for you to explore. I'm Susan Berkley, and I'm back next week with more Inside Voiceover.